Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your weight data on the Notify for Xiaomi app. The first way to see your weight data is to simply go into the home screen. In here, scroll down until you see weight. If you don't see it, you can tap on home order at the very bottom and enable it here. Make sure it's toggled on, and you can change where it appears by tapping and holding onto it and then dragging it over to the new spot where you want it. And back off and you will see it there. Tap on weight and you'll be able to see your weight data across different times. If you want to measure time through a smart scale, if you have any, you can tap on connect scale while you are turning it on. Then it's going to connect and then you can weigh yourself. Of course, another place you can see your weight data is to go into device. Here, scroll down to weekly fitness data and then scroll down again a little bit to see your weekly weight changes. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.